Good morning, Freeman Finance family. How is it going, guys? I want to talk about, is the Bitcoin top in? We all know that Bitcoin almost hit 100,000, and we know that's a huge psychological level. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Guys just can't hodl. But if the top is in, what does that mean for alts? Well, we've got to look into some data. In this video, I want to review BTC dominance and ETH BTC. I also want to review some of the biggest meme coins in the space. Let's go over Hoppy and Turbo and see if they look like they're poised to run. Guys, it's going to be a great video. We're going to get into everything crypto and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video. Guys, I am up super early getting y'all this video. Got to get it edited and everything, but I think this is a good one because we are at Bitcoin 98,671 here on Coin Market Cap. And if the Bitcoin top is in, it could be in for dominance, but not for price. And I'll go over all of this and what I am thinking right here. But we could see that over the last week, we blew up to here and we have not been able to get over the 100,000. There's a lot of sale orders right there. So what does that mean? Well, whenever we go over and look, fear and greed index is at 88. Okay, this is very important, guys. I want y'all to keep an eye on this. Okay, altcoin season has came up a little bit from the 30s to 41. Bitcoin dominance has fell a little bit. Okay, all of this is very important, guys. I want y'all to keep your eyes on that. If we come over here to fear and greed index, we could see that the highest it's been all year is 92. You could see this right here. Whenever it hit 92, we had a cool off. Back here, whenever it hit 81, we had a cool off. So we are the second highest we have been all year without a cool off. So what does that mean and what do I think? Well, personally, I am a little biased. I love degen coins and I also love low cap utility plays. And so what I'm hoping happens is a BTC dominance starts to cool down, ETH BTC starts to rise, and the altcoins and the meme coins start to run while Bitcoin maybe tinkers down to around 80,000, 85,000, has a cool off. But I'm just a guy on YouTube, so let's take a look and see if the data supports any of what I'm saying, because I don't know. No, guys, good morning. I love you all. I really do. Man, I just got to say, I love this. I love coming in here talking about crypto, man. I never thought the channel would take off. I'm thankful for every single one of you. Seriously, love you from the bottom of my heart. When we take a look at this, though, this is Bitcoin dominance over here on TradingView, and we can see that the only data that we really have for this is going back last cycle, but I don't think we can really use this to compare because there are so many more altcoins into the market. Since then, Solana has taken off. The Solana meme coin ecosystem has taken off. So I believe there's a lot of locked up liquidity into those coins that will not flow into BTC. And because of that, or will not flow out of those coins, let me say. And because of that, we will not see a rise to Bitcoin dominance like that. But we can see we are seeing a very sharp decline in Bitcoin dominance. This is the daily candles, guys. We've got 3 strong candles right here on the downside. If you look right here, the last time we had 3 was right here of this magnitude, but really we haven't had this many. So I don't know, maybe we can find support for Bitcoin dominance right here around 56, but everything is trending the right direction for altcoin season, in my opinion. When we look at it, Bitcoin is up 0.95% on the day. But if we go over to ETH, ETH is up 5.8% on the day. So that leads us to the other metric, ETH BTC. This is a comparison of how much Ethereum to Bitcoin is worth. And the higher this is, the closer we are to altcoin season. And the lower this is, the closer we are not. And the reason alts are continuing to bleed. Ethereum is still the granddaddy of them all. You've got Solana, you've got Casper, you've got everything. None of it matters if Ethereum does not run, guys, because Base, Polygon, everything is a scaling solution, Arbitrum, onto Ethereum. And because of that, we have to look at this chart. And I have found what was support back here. It was resistance and then it became support. And you can see we got a bounce right off of that line right there. And I think this is the inverse of what I talked about a minute ago. I think if we did get this low, it's the lowest it would get. I don't think it'll get a lot lower. The same way, I don't think Bitcoin dominance will get that much higher. Now, that does not mean Bitcoin is going to go down in price and never hit 100,000. What that means is relative to Ethereum and Bitcoin, that Ethereum will start to run and Bitcoin will still continue to go up, maybe have a little correction, but not at the same pace right now. Right now, since the election, we have seen 90% of money going into Bitcoin, guys. That's why the market caps went up $1 trillion for crypto, but you still see a lot of alts, especially anything out of the top 30, absolutely bleeding. And so let's go over to some of the top meme coins. This is Hoppy right here, guys. And we can see it's at a very, very important level here. It's at the 618 fib level right here, and it's holding up right now. The other level to look for is the 786 level, and we've also seen it go down to the 886 level before, but I'm hoping that this level right here at the 618 holds up fairly well. And when we go over to Turbo, Turbo is the same, guys. It's bounced right off of the 618 level absolutely perfectly, and it had already hit this 618 level before. So there's a lot of bullish things coming up for crypto. We all know that the Trump administration is extremely Bitcoiners sensitive, and they really want to do good with cryptocurrency. And so that's why Bitcoin has been flying. But right here on the Wall Street Journal, Trump to meet privately with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong is probably one of the most influential people in United States crypto policy. And we all know, even though crypto is global, the United States fiscal policy and the laws that they create really do carry on around the world. If America becomes crypto pro, then that could change everything for the entire world. So he's meeting with Brian Armstrong right here. And Trump, it says, formerly a crypto skeptic, has turned into a vocal support for the industry. So right now, since the election, we could see a lot of these high cap altcoins and high cap coins, period, have been running very good. This looks like the 2021 bull run. You telling me Cardano's up 45%? What is Stellar up 160%? XRP is over $1. What is this? XRP Army, shout out to you. But when we take a look at a lot of these lower cap plays, they are getting shellacked, guys. Down 30%, down 10%, up 5%, up 6%, down 25%. A couple of them are having runs, but for the most part, everything is getting shellacked. So what's my prediction? As always, guys, on this ever financial advice, I'm got slightly a degen and loves finance. So I could be completely wrong, and I'm wrong a lot. But what I want to say is that I think profits will be taken out of these. XRP over $1. Who thinks it's going to really stay there, guys? It's a stable coin. I'm joking. XRP Army, don't come after me. But I believe that the money will start to flow down. So the way I'm looking at it is it'll flow out of the coins that are worth over $1 billion and then flow into the $100 to $500 million coins and then flow into the micro caps. And I still believe altcoin season is coming and the meme coin super cycle. But guys, it's super early. Get you some coffee. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. Let me know, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think Bitcoin has peaked out at $100,000? And do you think Bitcoin dominance is going to go down? Watch this video up above. And if you're not a part of the Free Men of Finance family, come on, guys, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.